Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with another video about American Bill Money. For those that don't know, I've been with the program since May of 2017, and I've been able to generate thousands of dollars using this program. I'm going to, of course, show you guys some results. I am pulling out checks as we speak. But what I want to really touch base on is for those who are sitting on the fence about this opportunity, you're missing out because we are absolutely in the busy season for people that are looking for a online program or work from home opportunity. So if you haven't signed up to get your postcard yet or set up your funnel for your business, you are missing out. You need to get started as soon as possible. September, October, November are very busy months for those who are in this industry and that are promoting business opportunities. Okay, so I just want to show really quick for those. American Bill Money is a postcard program. It's been around since 2003, A+ rating, transparent company. I've been getting paid every week by check with this company, and I'm extremely excited about that because it helps me to pay the bills and to do other things that I want to do, travel, put my kids in private school, things like that. And I love that I'm able to work from home and, generate this full-time income using this program. So, just looking at the commissions I received, this is a check from August 17th for $525. That's just for 1 week. 1 week. Okay, I received a check August 24th in the amount of $450. That's a 1 week payment. August 10th, total of $300. Sorry guys, I must have hit something. Oh, that's okay. August 31st, check for $525. I also received a check that I lost, I misplaced, for August 1st. That was a $1,500. I was just so excited. If you go to my channel, you'll see where I did a live video about it. A $1,500 payment, August 1st. And then so far for September, $300. That's a week payment. So as you can see, the payments have been consistent. And they've been like this since I started the program. So if you want to get started, you want more information about the system, how it works, how to start earning, I actually received in the mail last week my leads. They do send you leads in the mail. I'm not going to show the information, but this is what it looks like. They're labels that you put on your postcards, and I don't want to show people's personal information. And I also receive information, success tips, postcard, information about how much the postcards cost, classified advertisement is front and back. You get this with your package, and you also get an order form for marketing materials, which is for people who are not online. So if you're not online, you're going to also receive this information and the different postcards you can choose from. Right now there's 3 different postcards you can choose from, and you can market that online as well. Okay, so using a funnel. So if you want more information, my information will be in the description below. If you want to get started, that information is there as well. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. I'm here to inspire people to start a home-based business, okay? So stay inspired, stay connected, and I will be back with you again tomorrow. Have a great day.